Hey everybody, this is Brett, providing you with the most in-depth and accurate 4K vehicle walkarounds on the internet. Thank you so much for choosing my video. I really appreciate it, and I hope everybody's having a great day out there today. I'm having a great day because I get to do videos of some of the best looking and cleanest Jeep Wranglers in the state of Wisconsin, and this one is no exception. This is a 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara package. This one has the Sky One Touch roof. It also has the LED lighting group, the tow package, and the color match fenders on it. It is stock number 16613Z. I am here at Summit Auto, your new and used Jeep and Jeep Wrangler headquarters. This 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara has the 3.6 liter Pentastar dual overhead cam V6 engine. Puts out 285 horsepower, 260 foot-pounds of torque. It is paired up with the 8-speed automatic transmission, and this one's gonna get you 23 miles per gallon highway, 18 city for an average of 20 miles per gallon. This Jeep has been fully safetied and inspected by our service shop, has a fresh oil and filter change. All the fluids have been checked and topped off, and it is 100% ready to go. Really quick note, guys, I shoot all my videos in 4K, so if you have HD capabilities on your computer, tablet, or smartphone, turn them on now because it is your best way to check out the quality, condition options, and of course, cleanliness of this Jeep inside and out. And the vehicles look fantastic in the picture studio, especially in 4K. Let's get right to it. This is a one owner, clean title history, clean CARFAX out of Indiana. And speaking of Indiana, if you're watching the video on YouTube, let me know in the comments below where you are watching the video from. I always love seeing where our viewers, subscribers, and future subscribers are watching from. We get people from all over the world watching these videos. It's always cool to see that. And if you are a future subscriber and new to the videos and the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. What I'm gonna do in this video is go all the way around on this Jeep. We're gonna go inside, start it up, take a look under the hood, take a look underneath, and I'm gonna give you the most accurate representation I can of this vehicle. Starting with the wheels, you get the polished aluminum with the painted pockets on there. These are 18-inch wheels. They are in very nice condition, and it has Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain adventure tires. These are 255/70 R18s. I would say they have right around half the tread left on them. Front fenders, you get the color matching fenders on here. I didn't see any scuffs or scrapes on there. And this one does come with the LED lighting group. Back in 2022, these were not standard, they were an option. You get the LED headlights, running lights, and the LED running lights in the fenders, as well as the LED fog lamps. I'm going to turn those on at the end of the video so you can see how bright they are. The Sahara package also gives you these silver surrounds with the fog lights, headlights, and grille bezels. Grille's in nice shape. The hood is in excellent condition. I didn't see any dents, stings, or corrosion on there. Looks really good. Passenger side front fender, no scuffs or scrapes on there. And the passenger side front wheel, no major scuffs or scrapes on there. This color is called Hydro Blue Pearl Coat. Paint code is PBJ. It's got a lot of metal flake in it, really a bright, good looking blue, and you can see just how nice that paint is as well. A couple little Easter eggs, guys. You get these sandals in the shroud, and you also have 7 slots on that plastic shroud there as well. Signifying these 7 continents that Jeep has been on. And as you go down this side of this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara, take note of how clean the body is and how reflective and mirror-like that paint is. I take these HD videos, so if you're far away or even if you're close by and you just cannot make the trip down, but you're still interested in purchasing the vehicle, you can see the Jeep here, the Jeep, and have confidence in what you're looking at before you even get here. So when you do get here, there's absolutely no surprises, and you can make a smart and informed buying decision from wherever you're at. Now, if this video helps you make that buying decision, let your salesman know that you saw the video, that it was helpful, and that Brett sent you. Back wheel's in excellent shape as well, no scuffs or scrapes on there. Back tires have just as much tread as the front tires. You get the plastic wheel well liners, which keeps your frame and underbody looking good, which very little to no corrosion under here, which is really nice. Must have been southern Indiana that this one's from. You get the nice step bars on there. And I always like showing the door hinges because this is always a spot that corrosion can and usually does happen in northern states. All these door hinges look absolutely perfect. I didn't see any corrosion on them. You got the T50 on there to take these doors off with the Torx 50 bit. Just take those bolts off. We did a demo on how to take your JL doors off if you want to check that out. That's in the upper right hand part of the screen. Rest of the hardtop is in nice shape. You get the LED tail lamps as well. The towing package with the receiver hitch 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. Matching spare tire and wheel. That one's got just about as much tread as the rest, maybe just a hair bit more than the rest of the tires. And the rear bumper is in excellent shape. I didn't see any dents or dings on there. Back here, we have the mirrors for when you have the doors off of the vehicle. This is actually Mopar doors off mirror kit. We did a demo on how to put these on actually, which is in the upper right hand part of the screen and linked in the description as well. Here's your case for the side windows, because with the Sky One Touch you don't have the front hardtop pieces, but you do have these side panels that do come off, and that's what that bag is for. We did a demo on how to take those out as well. So basically we got a demo to do anything on a Wrangler, and you can check those all out in the description below and in the upper right hand part of the screen. Has the Alpine premium sound system with the factory subwoofer. You get a nice little storage area under here with a drain plug in case it gets wet. You get door hinge and roof bolt holders back here as well, and the back gate has 7 slots on that as well. You get the JL badge, 2-door, 4-door wheelbase and overall length, water fording and overall width. And those doors shut nicely. Going down the driver's side, just as clean as that passenger side. No major dents, dings, scuffs, or scrapes on the fender or hardtop or door. And this back wheel is in nice condition as well. Really the only thing to disclose, one tiny little scuff on the wheel there, but definitely doesn't affect the performance of the wheel. And down the rest of this side, top looks good, the doors look good, the door hinges look good. Once again, no corrosion, definitely what you want to see on a Wrangler. And then you do have the heated power mirrors there. Let's take a quick look at the back seats. You get the black leather interior, latch child safety system for any child car seats you may have. No rips, no tears on the seats there, in very nice condition. You get factory floor mats back here as well. You get 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and a 115 volt, 150 watt plug-in back here. These seats do fold down for extra storage, and you can see just how nice and flat that they go. And what's nice is when they have the seat up, you can have this headrest down for better visibility if nobody's riding back here, of course. And that was a nice addition over the old JL or JKs. Get the child safety locks on the bottom, and the inside and bottoms of the doors all look really good. Up front, the Sahara package gives you the same black leather bucket seats. No rips, no tears on these seats. They are in a very nice condition. You get the Sahara stitched into the backrest. The bolster's in excellent shape. Driver's seat lumbar, height adjuster, and factory floor mats up here. Auto headlamps, tilt telescopic steering wheel. You also have power mirrors and power locks there. Here's the tire and loading information sticker. See how much this one tows, and then you have the VIN sticker right there. No Canadian Jeeps here. There's your paint code, BBJ. Let's hop inside, check out the miles, the radio, and everything that this one has to offer on the interior. Get the Sahara animation at the beginning there. This one has the 7-inch LCD display. Instrument cluster is very nice and clean on here, and digital speedometer on there as well. And comes with the heated leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel. On the right, we got cruise controls. On the left, we got Bluetooth and information center controls. You also have audio controls on the back of the steering wheel. This one has the Uconnect 8.4 4C radio. You do get AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio capabilities. This one also has the factory navigation system. There is Highway 41, so that is working nicely. You also have your climate controls on here, which includes your dual climate controls, also your heated seats, heated steering wheel controls, and your backup camera, which they've made those HD crystal clear so you can get hooked up to your boat, camper, or trailer the first time, every time. And then you get all your different apps on here. This one has the off-road pages, the backup cam, activate services. You got projection manager where you can project your cell phone to the screen via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. We did a demo on an 844C radio with Android Auto. If you want to check out how that system works, that's in the upper right-hand part of the screen as well. And then you get your off-road pages. They take a second to load, so while they're loading, down here more tactile volume tune and climate controls. You got your start stop button, stability control, speed select crawl control, heated seats, heated steering wheel controls, power windows. You get 4 auxiliary upfit switches. That's part of the trailer tow package. You also have a USB, USB-C, and aux jack, and your 8-speed automatic transmission shifter, and your 4x4 shifter right there as well. Keyless entry with remote start. Does have the flipper key, which is always a nice option. Nice chunky key fob as well. You get the Jeep logo on the top of the shifter there. And here are your off-road pages. You got your steering angle transfer case, latitude, longitude, and altitude there. As I turn that steering wheel, that angle on the tires changes, and you can see they actually turn a little bit up there as well, which is pretty cool. And then you get your accessory gauges and pitch and roll. So if you're doing some off-roading, make sure that you're not going to be tipping this thing over. Down here, factory floor mat and seat, excellent condition as well. The inside of the Sky One Touch is in nice shape. I didn't see any rips or tears on that. It does have assist and SOS buttons and your Sky One Touch controls. Auto dimming rearview mirror. And the windshield is in excellent condition as well. I didn't see any chips or cracks on that. You also have home link buttons for your garage door, security systems, and lane systems. Let's open up that Sky One Touch. It takes about 20 seconds. Starting at 11:40 or 11:39 on the timer here for the video. Yep. Actually, that was about 18 seconds, so pretty consistent. Let's start it up and take a look under the hood and check out all those LED lights. Starts right up, no check engine lights or anything like that. You can see how that Sky One Touch looks when it's all the way open. And I would personally like to thank you for checking out the video today, and hopefully from this HD video, you've been able to verify the quality, condition, options, and of course cleanliness of this Jeep inside and out. Under the hood, we have the 3.6 liter dual overhead cam V6 Pentastar engine, 285 horse, 260 foot-pounds of torque. Engine bay is very clean, runs very smooth. And once again, this Jeep has been fully safetied and inspected by our service shop, has a fresh oil and filter change. All the fluids have been checked and topped off. There is the emissions sticker. And this Jeep is 100% ready to go. Very, very nice Jeep inside and out, very clean. Didn't see any corrosion on it. Those LED lights all working nicely. And once again, really optioned out very, very well with the heated seats, Sky One Touch, the V6, the LED light group, the tow group. This thing's got just about everything you could want. And I would ship it back to Indiana, California, Texas, New York, Florida. Whoever is going to get this thing is going to absolutely love it. One of the best looking Wranglers we have on our lot right now. Look at those LED hourglass tail lamps. They look good too. And to see more pictures of this Jeep or one of our other 550 new and used cars, trucks, SUVs, minivans, Wranglers, you name it, we got it. Go to the website right there, summitauto.com. Full pictures and descriptions of every single vehicle, all at summitauto.com. And if you'd like to check out more HD videos, you can go to youtube.com/summitauto. Click the bell notifications, get updates on the videos I do each and every day, and stay current on our ever-changing and vast Jeep Wrangler and SUV inventory so you do not miss out on gems like this one. In fact, any second you will see a link to subscribe to the YouTube channel in the upper left, link to all the Wrangler videos I've ever done in the upper right, a link to this vehicle on our website in the lower left, and a link to one of our latest YouTube videos in the lower right. Click those, check us out, and we are super excited to help you with this ultra clean 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara with the Sky One Touch LED light group and tow package in Hydro Blue Metallic. Thank you so much for checking out the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share on the YouTube channel. I would personally really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.